elegant gates and tranquil gardens. Luxe landscape design for small homes. Step into a world of timeless elegance, with an entrance that epitomizes luxury in a grand yet intimate way. Your small home's gateway is not merely a point of entry. It is a meticulously crafted masterpiece, drawing upon intricate detailing and modern flair to create a captivating first impression. As you draw near, this gateway transcends its function to become a central piece of art, radiating style and extending an inviting embrace into your personal sanctuary. Coupled with rich greenery and ambient lighting, the entrance exudes a tranquil charm that soothes the senses while boosting your home's curb appeal. Beyond this exquisite entry, you are transported into a tranquil oasis, where nature and design exist in a harmonious embrace. The serene gardens are expertly landscaped, transforming the space into an idyllic haven ideal for solace and relaxation. Vibrant blooms, artistically shaped hedges, and the gentle murmur of water features coalesce to craft a picturesque setting that feels both rejuvenating and welcoming. Every nook of this space is thoughtfully orchestrated to inspire joy, delivering a harmonious fusion of opulence and comfort. Whether you choose to host intimate gatherings or savor a quiet morning coffee, this garden becomes your personal retreat, offering solace and delight. This elegant gate design, coupled with enchanting landscaping, does more than enhance aesthetics. It mirrors your distinctive taste and celebrates the beautiful moments life offers. The flawless union of practicality and artistry ensures that every element, from the gate's exquisite craftsmanship to the garden's strategic layout, conveys a narrative of warmth and refinement. Let this design metamorphose your home into a realm where each entrance is grand and every moment is dipped in tranquility. Moreover, the thoughtful integration of various textures and colors within the garden adds layers of depth, making the exterior as engaging as it is serene. It's a place where time slows down and the pace of life finds its rhythm with nature. Paths that meander through the garden invite exploration, revealing new surprises at each turn. A burst of colorful blossoms here, a serene nook to sit and reflect there. It is a living tableau that changes with the seasons, offering fresh beauty and renewed energy throughout the year. In essence, this design is a testament to how thoughtful planning and exquisite taste can transform everyday living into extraordinary experiences. It's about curating spaces that speak to the heart and provide a sanctuary from the surrounding world. By choosing such a design, you're not just embellishing your home, but crafting an exquisite narrative that expresses your individuality and joy for life's subtle elegance. Embrace this transformation and step into a refined world where every entrance welcomes you home with grace and every glance out the window promises serenity.